Hello everyone, how's everyone going? This is my video that I'm doing a review on my client's channel, and this channel we started just recently. So far we only have 3 videos, so just wanted to give a progress on this channel. It's only been like this channel actually got monetized on 1st of June, and this is our process. Like, we actually monetized the channel before, and then we get a client, we share with the clients what niche we're going to get into, and this niche is like very trending niche at the moment, and there's always going to be trends happening within this niche, and there's channels doing this same niche who has been around for about 6-7 years on YouTube. Still till this day they still monetize, they're still uploading content, and the channel is just blowing up because there always happens to have trends within that same niche. So you just continue to keep uploading videos on the trends. When one trend dies, there's always going to be another trends coming up within that same niche, right? So the beauty about this channel is, as you can see, this channel was actually monetized in June 1st, the beginning of June, right? And then we got the client about here, right? 8th of July. Not sorry, we actually got the client here on the 12th of July, right? Then we showed the niche, what niche we're going to get into. And as you can see, when we uploaded videos, nothing crazy, $97, 0.26, right? Nothing crazy. But I see where the channel is actually going to now. We're going to be uploading more content on this channel, and the revenue will continue to keep going up and up, right? So it's only a matter of time till we start hitting that $50 days, $100 a day, right? Most of the time I get asked on a daily basis, like, how long will it take for me to start to earn that $100 per day on a channel, right? And the question answer that I have for your question is, it's only a matter of time, right? You can just upload a video today, next day you can just be earning like $150 a day, right? This is the power of YouTube. So the trend is really important. Like, most of the time I see people, they go into a trend or niche which is already dead. There's no trends actually happening within that, and they actually get frustrated. So the reason I wanted to make this video, because I got questions asked like this: how long will it take for me to earn that $200 per day, $100 per day? So I can start a channel today. $100 per day can be like in a week or so, or it can be like 1 or 2 months after we start the channel. So there's no actual answer to that question. But because I've built multiple channels and I know the trends, what's actually popping within the niche, and we don't start any channel without doing the research. Research part is most important thing for you to generate revenue, right? This is a high CPM niche, by the way, but it all depends on the niche, all depends on what style of content you're uploading on a daily basis, and it's all about doing original content, right? What used to work before doesn't work now, and I see big gurus showing these big numbers, but I want to challenge them to start up a channel and get to that $100 per day, $200, $500 per day, $1,000 per day, just going step by step, right? This channel, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I'll get this channel to $150, $200, $300 per day, even $1,000 per day, right? And it's going to be like step-by-step process. I'm going to be uploading on a daily basis, just sharing my results, sharing like what I'm doing on a daily basis for me to generate this amount of revenue for my client's channel, right? So we only have one space available because we have we're going to be shutting down on managing clients channels. So we have just one space available. So if you have started your YouTube channel but not able to hit that number yet, the magical number, like I know a lot of people talking about like $10,000 per month. How will your life change if you earn that $11,000 a month, right? Starting now, like, invest in your channel now, and we can actually grow your channel, right? You can only buy so many courses, you can only buy so many programs, but the magic will actually start to happen once you start taking actions, right? So we only have one space available. So if you want us to grow your channel, manage everything for you, all you do is just log into the channel and then just see what's happening on your channel on a daily basis. If you have any issues, you can just come back to me. But this channel, this is a newer channel we started. We only have one space available to manage clients channel, and I will leave all the details below this video so you can click it and get to connect with me, and I'll just share with you like what are the things we're actually going to be doing and all those good stuff. So I cannot wait to speak to you soon, and hope you have an awesome and a wonderful day. Thank you.